Did an asteroid wipe out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago? Would a small asteroid impacting the Earth at a massive speed of 50,000 miles per hour wipe out life on Earth as we know it? Let's put it all into perspective and take a look with this visual thought experiment. At the end, you can decide for yourself whether you think it's possible that an asteroid or meteorite could indeed end life on this planet. There is a science theory out there that says it was a meteorite or asteroid striking the Earth 65 million years ago that wiped out the dinosaurs. It was purported to be an asteroid to have a diameter of between 7 and 50 miles. It's known as the Chicxulub impactor and the site of the Chicxulub crater. Some doomsdayers say that an asteroid or meteorite as small as 1 mile colliding with the Earth would wipe out life on Earth as we know it. Some say it would take a size of 30 miles. Sure, there would be substantial local damage, up to possibly even tens or hundreds of miles. But wiping out life on Earth? I don't know. Again, it's all speculation and unproven theory. I consider it outrageous and to have no objective truth behind it. Today, let's do a thought experiment with some visuals. Let's use a 10-mile diameter asteroid or meteorite. It's a good happy medium between the 1 mile and the 30 miles. Let's take the entire planet and scale it down to fit on a computer screen, but keeping the exact scale of sizes and speeds. Now would be a good time to change this video to full screen so it takes up your entire screen, because in a moment I will be placing a rectangle on your screen that represents the surface area of the Earth. Imagine peeling the Earth like an apple and laying it out so it fits exactly on a flat surface. Here we go. Make sure you're in full screen mode now so you can see everything. The asteroid is going to be very tiny and I want you to be able to see it. This is planet Earth, peeled and laid out flat. The surface area of the Earth is 200 million square miles. This rectangle is exactly 2 million pixels. It is 1800 pixels wide by 1112 pixels high. So 1 pixel is exactly 10 miles by 10 miles. The area of 1 pixel is 100 square miles. The Earth weighs 6 times 10 to the 24 kilograms, which is 6 septillion kilograms. It's a really big number. The volume of the Earth is 251 billion cubic miles. The Earth's surface is 70% water, so the water on Earth takes up 70% of this rectangle. It is 140 million square miles, or 1.4 million pixels. The remaining 30% of the Earth's surface is land. It is 60 million square miles. This is the area the USA occupies. 3.5 million square miles. It's 35,000 pixels on the screen. This is the area that England occupies. 50,000 square miles. It's 500 pixels on the screen. You can fit 4,000 Englands on the planet. This is the approximate area that the Greater Los Angeles and metropolitan area occupies. 900 square miles. It's 9 pixels. This is the area that all 7 billion people on Earth would occupy if you packed all the humans on Earth tightly together. It is 400 square miles. 4 pixels. At this maximum packing rate, you could actually fit 4.5 quadrillion humans on Earth. That's a lot of people. This is the meteor that killed the dinosaurs and that is claimed would wipe out all life on our planet. It is 10 miles in diameter, weighs around 2.4 quadrillion kilograms, and has a volume of 523 cubic miles. It is 1 pixel on the screen. 1 pixel out of 2 million. The Earth is around 512 million times the mass of the meteorite or asteroid. Are you ready to destroy life on the planet? Let's simulate the speed of 50,000 miles per hour, which is 800 miles per minute. At our scale, this will be 80 pixels per minute. To be able to more easily show you the relative speed, I'm showing you the vertical component, but imagine it fallen vertically into the rectangle representing the Earth. Imagine a pebble falling into a pond, but a pond that's 2 million times larger than the pebble. You have to watch closely. It starts right near the tip of the green arrow, about 1/4 inch to the right of the arrow. Here goes. Each step of the meteorite is moving at 12 miles per hour, or around 3/4 a second to go to the next pixel. At this rate of speed, it would take 40 minutes to travel from the left of the rectangle to the right. That's just an FYI. But for now, we are just traveling 80 pixels from the top of the green arrow to the bottom of the rectangle. This is 50,000 miles per hour scaled down. I will be quiet for a while and let you think while you watch. It won't take long. And bang! Are you still here? Still on Earth? Or have we been wiped out? The motion and sizes are all exactly to scale. If we were to scale it down to objects you can identify with in everyday life, the impact you just witnessed and the relative effect of the impact is the same impact as one red blood cell, which is extremely tiny and invisible to the naked eye, traveling at 18 inches per hour, colliding with a billiard ball. The lesson here: always put bombastic, outrageous, unwitnessed, and unproven claims into perspective, and you will then see the truth. Do you still think a meteor of that size wiped out the dinosaurs and would wipe out life on Earth as we know it? The Earth, even as a small planet, is much larger than you would imagine it to be. Maybe it's time for another theory on what killed the dinosaurs and a re-evaluation of what size asteroid would indeed wipe out life on the planet. So, in conclusion, you almost fooled me, asteroid doomsdayers, but you didn't, nor did you fool the people who watched this video. Thank you.